All right, now we are doing the barbell shoulder press, also known as the military press. Now there's two variations of this exercise. You can either use the free weight barbell or you can use a Smith machine like we are using now. The difference is that the free weight barbell, you're going to be using a lot more of your stabilizer muscles. It requires a lot more balance and stabilization. And then the Smith machine is obviously the opposite. It doesn't require as much balance, but it is a lot more isolated on the shoulder muscles, which is why we're using it today. Now, a few things to take note of to make sure that you're doing this exercise effectively. Number one, hand placement. You want to be a little bit outside of shoulder width apart, far enough apart so that when you come down, your arm forms a 90-degree angle. So a little bit outside of shoulder width apart. Number two, you want to make sure that you have a nice arc in the back, right? Keeping the chest up to make sure that you're maximizing the contraction that you're getting on the shoulders and to prevent injury of your lower back. So have a slight arc in the back. Number three, you want to make sure that you're coming all the way down to your chest, right? When you bring the bar down to complete the repetition, you want to make sure that you're coming all the way down, no half repetitions, right? All the way down and get a full deep stretch, and then you will come all the way back up right before locking out your elbows and then repeat the movement. That is how you effectively do a barbell shoulder press.